key advantages of our hot air furnace: optimal heat exchange, sufficient heat exchange area with an internally rational structure, minimizing air resistance, ash-free design. Biomass pellet hot air furnace achieves detangle-free, ash cleaning for seamless operation, high energy efficiency, low exhaust gas temperature at the chimney, maximizing heat recovery, eco-friendly combustion, intelligent air distribution and fuel feeding systems ensure complete combustion, eliminating black smoke emissions, user-friendly automation, simplified operation with smart electronic controls for safe and stable performance. Quality assurance. All raw materials come with third-party inspection reports for guaranteed reliability. Door-to-door delivery available upon order.